Hey fam, Chi here. Welcome back. Of course, we are still celebrating me. So I got a few more gifts and I'm happy to unbox them. So yeah, I've just been enjoying this month. So gifts are my love language, okay? Just so you know, FYI, give me gifts, okay? I don't need your words. I don't need your service. I don't need your touch. Well, I do need your touch. That's number 2. But gifts, that's my thing. That's my thing. So we are going to start off with an introduction. Hey, I'm Chi and I love all things lavish but logical. So if you like that sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Coming all the way from Hawaii, my girl, Lisa Love Bags. She knows that I'm highly addicted to these freaking chocolates. So she sent me these chocolates and I'm not gonna open up this box because number 1, I think I have like 2 or 3 in here left. And number 2, they look terrible because they melted during transit. That did not stop me from devouring this box. It's dark chocolate. It's macadamia nuts. The first time I had these chocolates, I was at Will McCason's house and he's like, oh yeah, Lisa sent me some chocolates. I told him up. Don't give me no chocolate. Please don't give me dark chocolate, okay? I'm a candy girl. So yeah, I tore his up. Then Lisa, one time she actually sent me my own box because she heard I tore it up. No, I got another box, which again, I tore up. But she also sent me, this is Hawaiian shortbread macadamia nut brownie. Don't mind the box. Listen, I'm a savage, okay? Don't give me no sweets. But it's like these little cookies. Just imagine the crispy top of a brownie in a shortbread form. That's what this is. Lisa, tearing it up too. But I see on the back that they got taro and pineapple. Those sound delicious, but I really love this. I didn't even open this up right. First of all, okay, in transit, it was a little bin, so it was no point in me opening it properly. I was like, just go from the bottom. So this is what I did, okay? She also gave me a card. Did I even bring my card over there? Give me a second. Birthdays are like cocktails. The more you have, the less you care. Absolutely right. But thank you so much, Lisa. This absolutely made my day because I love chocolate. Another gift that I got, Delina. This is actually the hair mist. So I was like, oh, okay. I've never had a hair mist before. And y'all already know I really like Delina. And since my natural hair is out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is cute. I don't want to spray too much because it's already laid out. So I'm just going to bed. I don't want to waste it. Actually, let me look up how much this costs. I really shouldn't since it was a gift, but we're friends. So this is 75 mLs for 2.5 fluid ounces for $85. And it's looking like it may be the same, I guess, notes that are in here. We have bergamot, nutmeg, rhubarb, lychee, middle of Turkish rose, vetiver, incense, and cedarwood, and the base of vanilla, cashmere, and musk. The mood, feminine, delicate, and sensual. That's on Nordstrom. I have to agree with all of that. But yeah, it's the Turkish rose that just really gets my gears going. And it actually smells really nice. I feel like the rhubarb might not be as sharp as the actual perfume, but I just wanted to try this out. So I'm super happy that I have this because you already know Delina La Rose is going to be that girl for me in the summertime. So if my hair, depending on if I actually wear it out like this all summer, oh, I'm going to be smelling like a little Turkish rose tree. So yes, I'm super happy that I have this. Now I'm gonna have to explore hair perfumes now because I'm gonna be extra. As extra as I can be, that's what I wanna do. And finally, we have this. What's in the box? Obviously, you already know because it should be on the screen, but this is from Versace. Let's get all of this out of the box. Okay, we got all our pieces. So of course, this is a gift to me from me. So you get this little slip. Don't know what's in it yet. I think this might have been my note. Yup. This is my note. This is how their notes come. So I said it's lavish, it's Versace. So that's what I wrote on my little note to myself, which is a really, really nice. I'm guessing this is a care booklet. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Yeah, some quality stuff, you know, got the ticket and all that stuff. We just gotta get into this. I thought it was supposed to have a ribbon on it because I definitely picked gift. Okay, okay. Is that magnetic? That's weird. Okay, so the bottom of the box isn't magnetic. It's just, okay. Okay. But we have this huge box right here. Again, let me get a little close up for you. Then inside, girl, they almost scared me. Oh my God. I was about to say, where's my earrings? It's literally wrapped up. When Versace comes to mind, you think one of these three things. You're either going to think Medusa, the ever so popular Baroque print, and safety pins. If this isn't Versace, I don't know what is, but your girl ended up picking up these safety pin earrings. This is the iconic safety pin earrings. What? When I saw these, I was like, there's nothing more Versace than these earrings. So it just made sense for me to get because they are just so cute. I gotta put these on right now because I cannot. I really hope these fit because I don't know, that earlobe part looks a little small. Okay. Oh, bitch. Oh, this is me. This is me. Oh my God. Do you see the tangle? Do you see the tangle? I was really nervous because obviously it's a straight piece, but she's got a little tangle. She's moving. What? Oh. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. I was a little nervous because they have this little bar right in the bottom of, I guess, your earlobe. So depending on how long your earlobe is, it might be squished in here, and I just made it. It just grazes the bottom of my earlobes. Oh my goodness, thank God my baby piercing. Thanks, Mom, for putting it in the right position. Jeez, because any higher, it would have been a wrap. But I freaking love these earrings. You know, I love understated earrings. And this has just a little bit of pizzazz with the Medusa head at the bottom and it being a safety pin. So Versace. So Versace. I freaking love these. And this is that deep gold as well. So oh my goodness, this is so cute. These are so cute. Okay, let me give you a little bit of information on these. So these are the safety pin earrings. It does say runway show, so I'm guessing this was for the most recent runway. Oh my God, these are so cute. They are pretty long. I don't feel like they're really heavy in comparison to like the Louise hoops or the F is for Fendi earrings. They're not even heavy. But then again, I could wear an earring. So of course, this is just brass. It's not real gold. All the information for it, I'm just gonna put this at the bottom because yeah, I'm too excited. So these do come in 2 sizes. They have a really tiny one. This one is the larger one. This one is $4.25, but I love these. I'm a hoop girl through and through till the day I die. I'm not really a studs girl. I still wear them, but it's just hoops are my thing. But this dangle, love it. I wanted the V is for Virtue earrings. It's a pair of hoop earrings with the V in it. I was going to get that, I want to say either last year or the year before, but I never pulled the trigger on it because the V on it, I didn't want people to think it was Valentino. Once I saw these, I was just like, oh, she's a vibe. This is Versace. This is Versace. Like, when you think safety pin, you're gonna think of that safety pin dress. You're gonna think of Versace. So this just made total sense for me. I wish I had on my shirt from the Louis Vuitton unboxing because I need something a little bit more Versace than what I have on. Like, but these earrings are just amazing. I really love them. This is my to me from me gift. I'm super excited. Thank you again, Lisa, for my chocolates. And oh my God, check out some of my other videos and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.